Recommend play my song on the radio.
Hey Kid Spook fam, today we're going to be doing a slime video. Please, hopefully you like my new intro. Please like and subscribe and share. Let's go. What's up guys, the first slime is this green one here. That's it for this slime. This next slime is purple and here it is. There it is. Hey guys, this next slime is yellow. Here it comes now. But yeah guys, I love slime kinda. It's fun. So yeah. Hey, this is the end of this video. Bye.